Namaste. Good evening, friends. This is a different video. The background itself will show you that, what is this? This is not related to our civil services or something. Now, this video basically why I wanted to come in front of you is, last 3 days, in fact, I was continuously getting phone calls saying that, sir, our life is gone because no more government jobs, there's no notification in AP, Telangana, etc. Or some other government job is not there and we don't know what to do. Our whole life is gone. This is how students are calling. Now, this kind of attitude, I was a little disturbed in the sense like, where is the fighting spirit gone? What is the purpose of education? Why are you reading so much? You have read history. You read geography, you read polity, and you are still lifeless. You are living life dead. Is education completely for the purpose of job? Are we studying only for job? Earning a living anybody can do. Think different. Our thought process should be changed. When you are reading so much, sir, I've spent 5 years, 6 years reading so many books, then what did you learn? When you say that, sir, I'm not able to get a government job, my life is over, it clearly shows that you have not studied anything and there's nothing like education which you have done. There are 3 ways of living. There is this ultimate living which these 3 people have pushed. This is fearless living which I can talk about. And this education should develop this fearlessness in you. When there is something wrong happening around you, you should have the ability, you should have the courage to protest. You can't live like a dead man. Fight for your rights. Fight for your freedom. There's nothing like freedom in the present scenario. In the age of artificial intelligence, everything you're monitored, you're observed, everything you're cornered. And this education which we are talking about should give you that courage and spirit to fight. Go out in the world and fight. What will happen if you die? This is what you have to learn from them. Death is something that comes for everybody. But you are dying every day out of fear. Now this is something which like students are crying. For the first time today morning, I was seeing this man who is of my age and is completely worried. I do agree that your financial background may be bad. You are suffering because of corona. But you are not able to see the wider picture. You are only equating education to job. It is very astonishing. It is very surprising. In fact, okay, there are 2 ways of living here. You keep a target, you work for the target. In the process, you learn many things. What did you learn from history? What are you learning from? See, observe the world. Are there any, when you're reading for exam also, there are several other inputs which you can use, which you can convert into money-making opportunities. No job is small. If you're not able to earn your living, do small jobs for a temporary living. This is for somebody who's really poor. I'm not talking about somebody who's above middle class and rich people. Somebody who has great goals in life, but who does not have the family background, who is poor. You can't sit and cry. You have to fight it out. You have to take small jobs. You have to take baby steps to grow big. No big dream has come without pain. You can refer history. This is what you have to learn. Every fearless fighter has fought selflessly. This is what you learn from history. Now, this is how you should be thinking, and this is what education has to give you. It is not for that 50,000, 75,000 job you are studying, and for that you are reading for years together. This is not the expectation. You have read about election commission, there's something wrong happen, you have to write a letter to the election commission. Use the right to information, get the information out, what is happening in governance. If something wrong is happening, you can't go to a police station and file a complaint. You're afraid of a sub-inspector also. This kind of fear should go out of your mind. This is the main purpose of education. It is not for a job, it is not for a living. For living, there are n number of ways. Even animals are living. So I'm not taking it. So if you want to develop that courage, okay, so two things you have to do. First, one of my first suggestion, don't follow any self-help books. How to become successful. First of all, there is no definition for success. So today you are saying, sir, this is success. Sir, becoming an IAS officer is a success. Okay, becoming Jack Ma is a, who told Jack Ma is successful? It is social media which has imprinted in your mind. They are trying to rule your brain. They are taking your decisions. You are not taking your decisions based on your free will. You are manipulated by social media. You are manipulated by many forces. This is the era of capitalism. How do you sell products? How do you sell self-help books? Success is not a commodity to be sold. You have your own definition of success. You have your own definition of life. You have your own definition of living. Can you compare Jack Ma or Elon Musk with these people? No, this is the learning you should have. There is no single definition of success. The richest of the richest people are also in stress. Is education for stress? Suicides. Okay. Helplessness, stress, depression. Jot out a plan. Basic living, what you have to do. What is the definition of success? There is no definition of success. You define your success. You define your success. It should be your goal. It should not be a manipulated goal. So read autobiographies of great people. Stay motivated. Small government job. Tomorrow it will come. Let the notification. If it is not coming also, it's fine. This video is just to push your spirits high. Keep living. Living is, what is living? Keep living in the sense, when something wrong is happening, fight it out. Don't live like a dead man. This is the role of education. Thank you. I hope this video will bring you some hope and confidence and just rock on. Thank you.